Hi, regarding interview questions, the first one. Have you ever given feedback on someone else's designs before? So, giving feedback on someone else's design, I used to give feedbacks on online testing platforms like Userlytics, User Crowd, and beta testing. In that, I'll be giving my feedback on some prototypes, some screens, some scenarios, and the preference test. So these all I used to give feedback, and these all designs come from different platforms, and so I was able to do design feedbacks on these platforms. The second part of the first question: have you received feedback on your own design? I used to post my designs, my prototypes in the Slack community, and through the Slack community, I used to get feedback from fellow designers, and also in the Facebook community where I can post my prototypes and get a feedback from their side too. Second question: how would your teammates describe you professionally? My teammates describe me as very committed and responsible. They used to tell me as I am a good team player who has good analytical skills. Tell me about a difficult project where you overcame a challenge. My previous job was with special kids, teaching them. So, what I felt working with kids is that always, every day was a challenge to me. Because I had to figure out ways, solutions, depending upon their mood and depending upon their capabilities. So, each day was challenging, and I used to figure out certain methods and using certain digital products to entertain them and also make them calm, and the way I can make the process, the teaching process, a little more easy for them. The fourth question: think of a question you could ask an interviewer. For instance, it could be something about culture, flow, company, vibe, or product questions. So the question I would like to ask to my interviewer is, what is your experience in the company, and how, as a employee in the company, what is your professional growth? Thank you.